Hello student, today we will listen and read the topic surprise for grandma. Now start. Sunday, a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa.
Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandpa.
Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She was swept all the windows.
Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit down and have a rest.
Come on, Sohan. Come on, sweetie. Grandpa, Sohan, and sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy.
Come to the kitchen, Grandma. Come and see.
Oh, soup, sandwich, and salad. What a treat!
Grandma, do you like banana? Delight?
Oh, I love it.
And now there is a surprise for you, Grandma. Open this parcel. Oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise! But Grandma, no, but now I know your problem. You don't know how to use this, but don't worry, we will all help you.